Want these? Want these? Want these? Want these for free? Yes, you do. Right now you can get all those for free, plus grid paper. Absolutely free when you purchase the starter kit. Starter kit is $169. You get to choose $235 worth of product. That's $66 free. Your first shipping is absolutely free as well. And then any order after that is 20% off. This offer is only available to the end of this month, which is only a few days away. You're saving yourself $116.50 for the INKY collection, $66 free from the starter kit. That is $182.50 in savings. Wow. If you live in Australia and you are really interested in this, please get in touch with me, or I'll have a link in the description of this video. You can join the INKY Stampers team here in Australia, and I would love to help you through your stamping journey. If you have any questions, please reach out and I would love to help you. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye-bye.